Hello, this is the ManyBadgers tutorial from Hemant and Ray. And today we're going to introduce you to Photoshop and take you through layers. First, we have to create a new page, and we do this by File and New. As you can see, the shortcut for that is Control and N, but we're doing it this way. You can name your new page with anything you want, but here it is Untitled 1. And your preset you can change around. I'm going to take you through that now. US paper is got letter, legal and tabloid on it. And international paper has got all the basic paper measurements like A4, A6, A5, A3. We're going to have international paper A4. The next step is you can put it on width and height. Don't forget, on the right you can change these pixels, inches, centimeters and millimeters, and the same with height. The resolution is the same, just the resolution of the page itself, and the color mode you can change. And some of these color modes actually mean something. So CMYK color are the four basic colors that go into your printer when you print, and these colors are cyan, magenta, yellow and black. And another important color mode is RGB. Red, blue, green. These colors are the colors on websites, and when you use, let's say if I was making a website page from Photoshop, and if I chose this color mode, it would make the screen a lot more brighter and a lot more visible and easier to see, but I'm going to go with this color mode. So now that is over and done with, I've got a new page. Let me just make this bigger. And today I'm taking you through layers, and the main thing about layers, they make things a lot more easier, and it keeps everything separate on one page. For example, if you want to change something without affecting the rest of the image, this is the best way to do it.
So Hemant, how do you create a new layer?
Basic. In the bottom right, next to the dustbin, you have this button that will create you a new layer. And I've just done that. As you can see, layer 1 says you're creating a new layer. Now I'm going to draw a shape on my A4 piece of paper.
So Hemant, can you duplicate that layer?
Oh, easily. What you do, the same way same button that you created a new layer with, you drag it and hover over it. And like so, if I move this rectangle, I'll have another one the same as behind it.
Can you merge these two layers together?
Yes, you can. Let me show you with an easier thing that will work a bit better. I'm going to delete this layer and type a piece of text. And I'm going to write ManyBadgers. If I make this bigger, so let's just change the color of this and make this bigger. So I'll put it down to black and make it bigger by changing the size of the font. So 30. Here we are. As you can see, these are on two totally different layers. I can move that one around and move that around. This is what the best thing the layer is for. You can move two totally different things around on one page, and that's why it's so useful. Another thing is, in the top left, you've got auto select. So as I've got my selecting tool on, if I keep auto select on, it will automatically switch to different layers. So like if I click that layer, as you can see, it's changed layers. And if I go back on ManyBadgers. Right, then now I'm going to show you how to merge layers. Everyone knows what the control button does. It will allow you to select two things at once. So as we do as so. And then we right click, and then it will come up with a thing saying merge layers. So what do? We merge layers. And in the bottom right, you see the ManyBadgers layer has been merged together with the rectangle layer. And as we can tell, this has definitely worked by moving that around. And there we are. Two layers have just been merged. Thank you for watching ManyBadgers tutorial, and we'll be back for you as soon as possible, and make sure you visit the website.
Thanks for watching.